Hello. Today we will talk about molecular level. In our previous lecture, we studied the subatomic and atomic level. At molecular level, bioelements combine to form molecules or biomolecules. Bioelements do not occur in isolated forms. These bioelements combine through two types of bonds. These bonds are ionic or covalent bond. By ionic and covalent bonds, the bioelements form a stable molecule. These stable molecules are called molecules or biomolecules. An organism is formed by many number of biomolecules of different types. These molecules are the building material and are themselves constructed in great variety and complexity due to specific bonding arrangements. Biomolecules are of two types: micromolecules, macromolecules. Let's discuss about micromolecules. Micro means small. Micromolecules are with low molecular weight. For example, glucose, water, etc. Glucose and water are with small molecular weight. What are macromolecules? Macro means large. Macromolecules are with high molecular weights. For example, starch, proteins, lipids. Proteins and lipids are with large molecular weight. In our next class, we will discuss organelle and cell level in detail. Thank you.